Do you have one of those? The Star Wars thing?
Shh, dude, calm yourself, big, beautiful bastard. I'm going to show how it's done, man. It's quite easy. You can do it too. Open a terminal on a Linux box. Yes, Windows users who can do this in Windows too. I will show you how in the end. At the end, English is hard. Just type telnet. .blinkinglights.nl. Set your font size to get the most of the screen. Sit back and relax. Star Wars, man. It's awesome. Enjoy it. If you don't have telnet installed, this is how we install it in DNF-based systems. It's basically the same thing in other Linuxes. If you have Windows, you just need to go to turn off Windows features on and off. And you just need to enable telnet and you have telnet. If you want things a little bit easier, just use PuTTY, tutti, TerraTerm, or any of those that work in your box and you should be fine. Enjoy the Star Wars, man. Like, subscribe, comment.